Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jeff from That Gun Guy Jeff. Today we're going to be going over how to clean a Taurus G3c. Starting off, some stuff that we need. We're going to need a nylon brush, gun oil, I recommend Hops number 9, a rag, and some patches. First things first, we want to make sure the gun is safe. I already have the gun cleared out. But we're going to make sure there's no magazine present in the gun by pressing in on that magazine release. Make sure there's nothing in there, as well as verifying that the chamber is clear, which it is. As always, we're always going to keep the gun pointed in a safe direction. First step to cleaning any gun is to take it apart. To take apart this gun, we're going to send the slide forward. We're going to pull back about 1/4 inch on the slide and depress these tabs that are on both sides of the gun. Then we're going to squeeze the trigger and remove the slide from the frame. Next, we're going to take out our guide rod and guide rod spring, followed by our barrel. I'm going to start off by cleaning the slide. So all we're going to do is we're going to take our Hops number 9 cleaner, and I always poke a little hole in the top so it acts like a dropper, and we're just going to put a few drops in here. Next, we're going to take our nylon brush, and all we're just going to do is scrub. We're just going to keep on scrubbing. After we scrubbed for a little bit, everything's all loosened up. We're just going to take our rag and we're just going to wipe everything down that we scrubbed. Look at all that dirt that we're getting off this gun. All right, now that our slide's nice and clean, we can set that off to the side. Next thing we're going to do is our guide rod assembly. Since our brush is already oiled up, we can just give that a quick go over with this and then wipe that off. Now, one thing while we're going through and cleaning the gun, we're going to be inspecting. We're making sure nothing's broken, missing, worn. We're also going to be checking for spring tension. On the guide rod assembly, just pull down, push up, make sure that there is some spring tension left there, as well as we're going to check all of these coils and make sure none of them are frayed or starting to break apart. Now that that's all clean, we'll set that off to the side. Now for the barrel, we're going to be inspecting this right here. This is our feed ramp. This is where the rounds actually come up into the barrel, making sure that's not worn down, as well as we're going to take a look inside the barrel at that rifling and make sure that there's no chips in that. For cleaning the barrel, it's recommended to have a barrel brush for the right caliber that you are cleaning. However, I do not have one currently, but there is a way to improvise with that. What I do is take the back of the brush after we add some oil, into the barrel, and then we're just going to take that and we're just going to swirl it around a little bit. That's why I love these brushes. You can get really into just about anywhere you want. After a few times of doing that, we can take our patch, set that right on top, use the back of the brush, and then push through our patch. As you can see, this barrel is not very dirty, but we're just going to go through 1 or 2 more times. Grab another patch. You always want to go with the rifling of the barrel. Now that it's coming out as this light gray, almost white color, we know the barrel is clean. As always, we clean up our messes. Next, we're going to go to the frame of the gun. As you can see all this crud right here. We're going to again take our brush and we're just going to give it a light scrub on the metal parts. Now that everything's clean, it's time for reassembly. First, we're going to assemble our slide. So have your slide upside down. We're going to insert the barrel into the gun. And we're going to insert our guide rod assembly. Now we're ready to marry up the slide with the gun. So we're going to just line up the grooves. And now our gun is reassembled. Thank you for watching. If you like this content and want more of it, please like and subscribe. Everything that is used in the video today will be in the description below. Thank you and have a safe day.